Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your iCloud Plus subscription or downgrade to the free storage plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your iCloud billing. Step 1. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Step 2. Tap on iCloud to view your storage settings and current subscription plan details. Step 3. Tap on Manage Storage or Manage Account Storage to access your iCloud storage management options. Step 4. Tap on Change Storage Plan to view your current plan and available options including the free plan. Step 5. Select the downgrade options or tap on your current plan to see downgrade choices. Choose the free 5 GB plan if you want to cancel completely. Step 6. Before downgrading, make sure your iCloud storage usage is below 5 GB. If you are using more space, delete files, photos, or backups to reduce usage below the free tier limit. Step 7. Tap Done or Downgrade to confirm your change. Apple will ask you to confirm that you want to cancel your paid subscription. Step 8. Confirm your decision by tapping Downgrade again. Your paid iCloud Plus subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period, after which it will automatically downgrade to the free 5 GB plan. You will receive an email confirmation about the cancellation. You can resubscribe to a paid plan at any time through the same settings menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.